This is just the finished part, just showing three sides for the handle, and the bristles kind of all tagged in there with cylindrical shapes. But this is just making the side panel, the top part of the handle, and just rounding it off. It's not perfectly brand new, it's been a used one. Using the shape builder to make three shapes to help delineate the piece. And then just placing these circles, just making a grid of circles with the command duplicate, eliminating one side, grouping it, and using the transform to store it. Place it on there and using a little bit of the warp while it's still selected, and that'll allow you to arch it a little bit and give you all these circles. Just ungroup them when you're ready to use them. Put a little tone into it of the interior with some shading, and the line work has a little bit of value to it. And then now just trying to make a group of bristles to put in each one, so thinking of it like a bunch of cylinders grouped together, making them round, so distorting it so it's the elliptical shape. One piece with a gradient, and just bunching them up close. Take the direct selection tool and extend them down, and group this together. And in order to trap it down here, you could cut it, but here I'm just using a mask over the top with a cylinder, a circular piece, and a rectangle shape over the top. Just adjusting it so it fits. Try it again. Give it a color of white. There's your clipping mask. And then you can just set it in the back. Do the back row since you're going to duplicate it. And since they all just adjust down, just kind of place them in there. You probably could have illustrated it all with one and forget the clipping mask, but just trying it out here. Placing them in there. And you could shade them later to give it a little bit of depth to it. And just giving these pieces a little different color gradient. And add texture to it. And just making a shape, converting it to an artboard. Let's set it off of the photograph. Give it a title. And there you have the kind of a quick rendition of it.